Alrighty, we are outside of the Monona Terrace Convention Center here in Monona, Wisconsin. Over there is a view of the lake. This is right next to downtown Madison. And you can see through the shaft here. You know what that means. That's right. There's a glass elevator here known as the quote-unquote bike elevator. Actually, it is a bike elevator. And look what it is. That's right, the Schindler MT. Another one. It's hospital size. Go to 5F. Here we go. Let's look out the window on this side first. Here at 5, indicator says 4, but this is actually 5. We'll go back into 1 because it's reason why it's 5 because it skips 2, but the indicator here will show it's 2. Yeah, the indicator is kind of messed up. Let's get a cab view now. This is actually a nice cab for a bike elevator. It's not in a bad shape at all, actually, despite the 4 light bulbs missing. Does run pretty well for an MT. Indicator, 4 more MT buttons, C's replacement, 4 decibel capacity. Here's the view of the lake. This thing is kind of slow. There's a good reason why this thing is slow. Because this thing fits a few bikes in here. That's why it's slow for hydro. We'll go up again. We'll look out this side this time. We're gonna end back here at 5. We'll come back up here. Look out this window again and then watch the indicator at the same time. Alright, here back at 1. We're gonna end the video at 5 now. wonder what that squeaky noise is. Doesn't sound that promising. Upside down call button. All right, there it goes. And that's it.